In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon account on a hold. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to check for any notifications or emails. Look for an email or text from Amazon titled account on hold or something along those lines. These messages often include specific instructions or a link on how to secure them. However, please be aware of scams because you want to only use links from the official Amazon emails or access the form by logging into your account via Amazon.com or just open up the application. But basically, you want to avoid clicking any links in the text, and you basically want to go ahead and actually use the Amazon website or the Amazon application. You don't want to just press random links from like a text message or an email or something like that. You want to make sure that whatever you're pressing is actually correct. So here's where the next part comes in. So I really want you guys to go ahead and try to log into your Amazon account. All right, then all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on these three bars right over here. Then go ahead and press on account. Then underneath customer service, you want to go ahead and press on contact us. And basically, you are now able to go ahead and talk to a Amazon representative and you want to explain to them your situation. All right, so once you went ahead and press on that, it is going to give you a screen that looks like this, but all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see something else. And all you want to do is you want to scroll down again and press on I need help with something else one more time. It is now going to go ahead and give you a customer service representative and you want to explain to them the situation. And if they send you any links or anything like that, then you are safe to use it. Again, I really don't suggest pressing on links that you get from random text messages or anything like that. So go ahead and talk to the customer service representative and you want to explain to them your situation and basically follow their instructions. Keep in mind, they may ask you to verify that it's actually you by asking for like legal documents like a passport or a valid ID or anything like that. So just make sure you have those documents put into place. And in general, you want to make sure that you type in a concise and respectful manner. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.